along to another review by Richard Butler, and today I'm talking about Minvo. And Minvo is a web-based tool that allows you to take your videos and cut them up into short little highlights. Now these are ideal for YouTube Shorts, for TikTok, for Instagram, for LinkedIn, in fact for anything that you want to do to promote your longer video. And I've been using Minvo to put nice subtitles on my videos and chop them up into manageable highlights that I can then use to promote the rest of my video. Now, who are the competitors? Opus Clip and Video, and I actually use both of those as well, or I used to use both of them. I have active subscriptions, which I won't be renewing because Minvo does everything those two can do and more. So this is my dashboard, and if I want to add a video, I simply click Add Video. I go to Choose File, and I choose the video that I want to upload. And what it now does is it starts to queue this up, and the AI is going to take over. Now, what the AI does is it looks for the key points, it looks for the possible viral clips, and it then chops those up for you. And it does this all in the background. So you'll see that the file is gone and it's actually uploaded. And I can say how long do I want each video to be from this 5-minute video. So I might say I want 30-second clips. And honestly, all I have to do here is just keep all of these set if I want. It will auto add emojis, it'll auto add B-roll, it'll do magic cuts, which is very good to get rid of the uhs and ums, etc. And if I mean, there's magic frame, maybe if I move a lot, I'll keep it there. Magic emojis will pick certain words and put emojis in. Let's just see what this creates. I go to create shorts, and this will now go off and it will do what it needs to do. So let's just go back to videos, and depending on the server load, this can take quite some time. Now, here's the first thing that I would say maybe I don't like about Minvo, but it's a very small thing, is that your videos expire. Now, I don't like it because I like to upload my videos and be able to edit them as much as I want. But when you think about it logically, if you haven't edited or used that video in 80 days, well, I guess it makes sense that they actually disable the editing on it, okay? So that's the only thing to be aware of, though. When you upload your videos, you have 80 days, depending on your plan, you have 80 days to, or 90 days to actually edit it. But let's go in here and view moments. Now, when I go in here, it's going to load up all of the moments that it has actually cut. And it gives them a title, okay? Revolutionizing the English learning strategies, okay? Expert business support. And you'll see that I've been playing around with different formats here, and I'll show you how to do that. Now, if I go in here, I have moments, I have transcript, which shows me all of the transcripts. And this is where the moments came from, which is great. And then I have this write. Now this write is really good because what I can do is I can go in and I can say, write a 5 ways list article, okay? And I click on this, 5 ways to, for example, I might say 5 ways to increase your English fluency. And it says use the main ideas from the video. And this is one thing that the others, as of time of recording, that the other systems don't have, that it will actually write out articles, it'll write out descriptions, it'll write out titles for your video based on the content of the video. So here it says, this is my article here. And this is absolutely perfect that I could use that as a LinkedIn post now, simply by going down here and clicking on copy. Okay, let's go back to moments. If I go in here to edit, what I can do here is I can do a lot here. I can decide that I want this to be landscape because I want this one to go on to YouTube, my full-length YouTube channel, or I want it to go onto LinkedIn. And then you have quite an interesting timeline here, like an editing suite. Now you don't have to worry about this. You don't need to do anything. I mean, if I press play, let me just mute the volume. you will see that it automatically does everything that I needed to do. And it's actually cut certain parts out where I might have been umming or erring. And you'll see here, I mean, I quite like that because it gives that cool kids kind of TikTok, Instagram effect that it cuts like that. Now here it says magic edit. And if I just click on magic edit, I can say, for example, magic media. And I'll say I want GIFs, no, I want videos. And then I'll say activate magic media. So even though I had said to put in the magic media, sometimes you need to activate that separately. Now, like all of the systems I've tried, sometimes the videos that it puts in or the GIFs that it puts in, you might need to just change them, and you might decide, well, I don't really like that. So for example, here we have we have one there that was quite good. Okay, people in a company, and then along the different frames here, it will show me if there are more little things that it's been put in. Now, if I don't like something, I can just go in and I can actually just delete that there. Okay, so there's a little delete option that I can use. I could move that along if I wanted to have it here instead. Okay, so I can just say delete or delete all medias, and that deletes all of that. If I want to extend this video, so I don't like where it started, I can just click on extend and I can highlight out. When I'm ready, what I can do is I can just click on export here. But before we do that, let's just have a look here at presets. I can change how this is going to look. So I want the titles to go along this way instead. I can do that. And you'll see there's other titles here. Those will be removed. I can go in, I can see the different titles that it's going to have and the different text styles. I can go in, I can change the caption style. I can go in and put in my brand if I want. Okay, so I can put in brand colors here, and I can put in images or upload images. If I want to have music, I can also put in music. I could have an intro and an outro. So that might be at the beginning of my channel that I have something that says, you know, welcome to Rich's channel or welcome to Rich's video. And at the end, it gives maybe a call to action for more information. I can put in a different background here if I wanted. Okay. So there's lots of things that I can do here. And if I want to edit the transcript, I can go in here. Now, one of the things that I've found, and I have used a lot of these systems, is that the transcripts it actually generates are excellent. When I want to export, I simply go export, and I can download this, or I can click post to different accounts. And I would need to connect my accounts there. I haven't actually done that yet, okay? But it will be a simple process of just clicking on connect and connecting that account, or I can click on the download. So let's talk about whether this is worth investing in. Personally, I've used a lot of these systems. As I mentioned, Opus Clip, and then video, and then I've used other ones. This one is really, really powerful. For the novice user, it allows them to just go in and quickly create a nice little video. For the more advanced user, you can definitely go in here and you can play around with the timeline, and you can, you know, put in the background music, you can make changes, etc. So there's a lot of flexibility here. So for me, this one gets a big thumbs up. Now, if you like this video, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and give it a like and share it with your friends. All right, I'll see you in the next video.